5 reasons why quartz countertops are so popular. Dear friends, in recent years, the natural stone business is noticing a growing trend among customers. Just as granite swept home remodels and renovations in the early 2000s, quartz products are taking the spotlight in the newest homes. Why is this trend becoming more widespread among homeowners? Here are 5 main reasons for the increase in the demand for this factory-engineered material. 1. Durability. Unlike natural stones such as granite, marble, travertine, limestone, or soapstone, which are mined from quarries around the world, quartz is engineered and created in factories, using some of the hardest minerals on Earth. This process, along with its other additives such as polyester resins, gives quartz the top spot for durability. Quartz is scratch-resistant and will not stain, attractive qualities for people with children, or for those who really use their kitchens for cooking, cutting, etc. 2. Uniformity. Natural stone is known for its movement or its non-uniform appearance, whereas quartz is engineered and therefore consistent in its design. This not only saves time in the design process by allowing fabricators to cut the stone without a predetermined layout, but it also makes matching paint, tile, and cabinet colors and styles easier for the customer. 3. Low maintenance. Due to its stain-resistant, non-porous nature, quartz never has to be resealed like its sister stones granite, marble, etc., and owners do not need to be particular about cleaning the stone. More delicate material cannot be exposed to cleaning products or harsh chemicals, while a quartz can take a wipe down from bleached products to ammonia cleaners and remain unharmed. 4. Evolution. In previous years, quartz was criticized for its lackluster patterns and designs, which paled in comparison to the opulence of granite and marble. Now, however, there are quality brands of quartz that resemble granite and marble so accurately that most customers can't tell the difference. Manufacturers are able to not only polish, as this was the only option before, but they can now produce a honed, embossed, or sandblasted finish. The latest strides made in the quartz industry make it a top contender for the newest kitchen and bathroom projects. 5. Cost. Despite the fact that it's manufactured, the price tag per square foot on this increasingly popular material mirrors that of mid-level granite. Most people looking to renovate, or begin a new project with natural stone already have an idea of the cost, so they're prepared to spend the kind of money that will buy a custom stone kitchen or bathroom. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.